Applying for a US visa from the UK and stuck on how to pay that pesky application fee online? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down, step by step. First, head over to the official US Embassy London website. Make sure it's the official site to avoid scams. I will put the link in the description below. Now, click on the Visas tab, and then select Non-Immigrant Visas from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page with information about various US visa types. Scroll down the page until you find a section about application fees, also known as the MRV fee. This is the fee you need to pay before your visa interview. Within this section, there should be a link that directs you to the CGI federal website, which is the official payment processor for US visas. Click on that link. This website might look a little different depending on when you're watching this, but the process is generally the same. On the CGI federal website, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. If you do, simply log in. Make sure you remember your login details. Next, you need to complete the DS-160 form. This is the online non-immigrant visa application form. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation number. Keep this number safe. You'll need it. After that, the website will guide you through the payment process. You'll typically have the option to pay using a debit card or credit card. Enter your card details carefully and double-check the amount before confirming. Make sure your card is authorized for online transactions. Once the payment is successful, you should receive a confirmation email and payment receipt. Save this receipt as proof of payment. You'll need to bring a printed copy to your visa interview, and that's it. You've successfully paid your US visa application fee online in the UK.